Welcome to Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Carrie Gregg, and today we'll be diving into a common question that we all hear from time to time. Can you get a divorce in Texas without a mutual agreement? Well, the good news is yes, you absolutely can, but the process and what you should expect depends on how much pushback you're going to get from your spouse and what specific issues are involved in your case. Texas is a no-fault divorce state, which means that either spouse can file for divorce without a proving wrongdoing. The most common ground for divorce is insupportability, which basically means that the marriage has broken down beyond repair. You don't need your spouse's permission to file. In fact, even if your spouse doesn't want the divorce or refuses to cooperate, you can still move forward with your divorce. If your spouse refuses to sign or participate at all, the divorce process can continue as a default divorce. This occurs when one party files and the other party doesn't respond within the legal time frame, usually 20 days from the date they're served. In this case, you may be still able to finalize your divorce and get orders on issues like property division, child's custody, and child support without their input. The court, though, makes that determination based on the evidence that you present, what deems to be fair and in the best interest of any of your kids involved. But on the other hand, if your spouse responds but contest the terms, say they disagree on who should have what or how custody should be handled, then you have to be a contested divorce. This means you'll likely go through additional steps like discovery, mediation, or even trial. Contested divorces take time, effort, legal strategy, but they can still not block you from the divorce itself happening. They can delay it, but they cannot stop this entirely. So if you're feeling stuck because your spouse isn't playing the ball, or you're worried about he can't get rid of the marriage without your agreement, don't worry. Don't keep that fear from you taking action. You have legal rights and options. Make sure you schedule a free 30-minute consultation with the experienced Texas family law attorneys so we can help you understand the process and support every step of the way. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.